What if the reason many people feel overwhelmed, distracted, and exhausted is not because they're lazy, but because they're trying to do too many things at once? What if success is less about doing more and more about focusing on what truly matters? In this video, I'm sharing key ideas and personal reflections from Essentialism by Greg McKeown. This powerful productivity and mindset book explores how simplifying priorities, eliminating distractions, and focusing on the essential can improve clarity, peace, effectiveness, and long-term success. The central message of the book is, if you don't prioritize your life intentionally, other people will do it for you. Many people feel overwhelmed because they constantly say yes to everything, chase too many goals, and spread their energy too thin. The book teaches, Essentialism is about focusing only on the few things that truly matter most, not doing more, but doing the right things better. One major lesson from the book is busyness does not automatically equal productivity. Many people confuse being busy with being effective. Simplicity increases effectiveness. One of the most powerful lessons from the book: every yes to something unimportant becomes a no to something meaningful. Many people feel emotionally exhausted because they overcommit, avoid disappointing others, or fear missing opportunities. The book strongly emphasizes removing unnecessary noise. Constant distractions destroy clarity and focus. Another important lesson from the book: when priorities become unclear, people waste time and energy. Essentialism encourages people to ask, what is truly essential right now? Identify your core priorities clearly. Focus on long-term values instead of temporary pressure. The book also explains, time and energy are limited resources. Many people act as if they have unlimited emotional capacity, until burnout appears. Protecting energy improves consistency. People frequently believe success requires doing more, chasing everything, or constantly staying busy. But the book teaches, simplicity often improves execution and momentum. One lesson I personally took from this book is this: many people feel exhausted not because they lack ability, but because they divide their focus across too many unnecessary commitments. This book reminded me that peace, clarity, and effectiveness often grow when people stop trying to do everything and start protecting what truly matters most. Essentialism reminds us, success is not about constantly adding more to your life. It's about removing what distracts you from what matters most. If this message resonated with you, comment "less but better" below, as a reminder to simplify your priorities, protect your energy, and focus on what truly matters. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone struggling with overwhelm, burnout, distraction, or overcommitment today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.